So we're going to have a look at how to add resources on OneFile. Resources can be anything: PDFs, Word documents, PowerPoint presentations, and even just web links as well. So from the main screen, you're going to log into one of your assessor accounts. You can do this as Centre Manager or Assessor. And over here on the left hand side, we've got the Resources tab, which we click on, and then we see all the resources available in our current centre. So we're going to go for the Environmental Conservation Resources. Within here, it's a good idea to set up a folder for each of your units, and within there we've got all the units listed. So we're going to upload something into the Conducting a Survey for Plants unit 211. So go into here. On here you've got a preview mode and an edit mode, and we need to be in edit mode in order to upload. When we click to edit mode, you'll notice these three icons appear here. We can create a new folder, we can upload some content, or we can create a web link. So in this case we're going to upload a file. This then comes up with the standard file upload box. It's worth noting that you can't upload something over 100 megabytes, so it's sometimes worth, particularly with big PowerPoints, checking the size of the file before you try and upload it. We then go to choose file. We're then going to want to browse through our various different resources. So we're going to have a look in here, go and find the resource that we're looking for. We're looking for a particular survey form for hedgerows. So we're going to select that file, open it. It appears in here. We then type a description into the box, and then we click on upload. Once we've done that, we can then see our file appears here in our uploaded content box. To create a link, we click on create link. We put in the web address here, we give a description, we click test, it checks that the web link is valid, and then we click create, and again we can see the link appear here. If we've got a link that we want to get rid of, or a file we want to get rid of, we just tick it, and we can then use the bin icon here to delete it. It will then give us a little warning to say, are you really sure? You say yes, and that link then disappears. We also have the option, if we want to move files from one place to another. We can tick a file here, and we've got this cut option here. We can choose cut, disappears from that folder. We then go to the folder that we meant to put it in. So we choose a different folder here, go in here, and then here we've got this paste icon. We can click paste. It says, are you sure you wish to move? You say yes, and then that will appear here. And again, we can do the same thing. Select it, cut it, go up a folder, back into our unit where we want it to be, so the survey for plants again, and then click paste. Asks us if we're sure, we say yes, and it pops it back in that location. So you can move resources from one folder to another, and that's quite handy. And you can add as many resources as you like to a folder, and then that allows people to come into the folder structure and find the resources they need.